So hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Super Shivangi with Amazing Anand. In today's video, I am going to tell you about Hindi grammar and the lesson of Shuddh Karna. So I was just studying for my Hindi exam and मुझे लगा कि मेरे को इसके ऊपर एक वीडियो बनाना चाहिए और आपको भी बताना चाहिए कि इसका इंफॉर्मेशन एंड बिकॉज exam may in exams many of the children will write ashuddh shabd, so like they won't write correctly, like it will happen with many of the subject, especially with languages like Hindi, English and all. So they will be having spelling mistakes, and because of that they will be uh, cutting their marks. So that's why the spellings and words are the main things. तो उसे आपको लर्न करना ही करना है एंड यू हैव टू लर्न फॉर योर पोर्शंस. तो इसीलिए मैं बोलने वाली थी कि मेरा एग्ज़ाम पर चल रहा था और मेरे सिलेबस में ये वाला भी ग्रामर इन हिंदी ग्रामर आई हैड दिस टॉपिक. तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूं एंड मैंने इधर कुछ वर्ड्स लाए हैं 1 to 10. तो मैं आपको इनका शुद्ध एंड अशुद्ध शब्द भी दूंगी. सो नाउ डेज आई एम लाइक अ बिजी, so I'll be having my videos like once or thrice in a week. um, so please support me as I'm getting exams, and I'll be very busy and I won't be there in some of my videos, and maybe my brother will be there. So maybe this is my last third or fourth time because my exams are coming, and the second exam is Hindi. That's why I was studying for it. So now maybe let's start our video, and without any further delay. So first, please do subscribe, like, and share. And not very much people are doing. So please do also like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, let's now without any further delay, let's start. So as you can see, Shuddh Karna is written over here. So let me tell you the meaning. So Shuddh Karna, Ashuddh Karna means कि जो शब्द गलत लिखा है उसे आप शुद्ध कर सकते हो. उससे उसका मात्रा, उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन और बोली जो भी है उसको आप पहचान कर शुद्ध लिख सकते हैं. तो दैट वाज इट फॉर मीनिंग ऑफ शुद्ध से अशुद्ध. So now let us start our video by the first question. So ashuddh dharm, dharm, dharm. So here, as you can see, this is converted into this. So these are all like ashuddh shabds, and I have converted them into shuddh shabds. And I know many of the people will be writing like this only in their exams, and they will be having delay of having cut. Their teachers will cut their half marks for this spelling mistakes only. So this is very important. Yeah. So let's start with second one. So ashuddh upar, ऊपर. So here ऊ, here बढ़ाओ. So next आशीर्वाद, आशीर्वाद. So here this is like totally wrong, and this is the शुद्ध शब्द. So if you want, you can take a screenshot of this also. You can pause and take a screenshot because this is like very important. So yeah, and you can even tell that did you have ever make mistakes like these kind of ashuddh shabds in the exams or not. Then itihasik, ऐतिहासिक. So here E is converted into A. So and it is pronounced also like that only, like it is ऐतिहासिक, not itihasik. Fifth, महत्व, महत्व. So here 2 times half the has came. Here only 1 time it came. That is the shuddh. Sixth one, Ashuddh word, Deepavali. Deepavali. So this is Deepavali. Here it's Deepavali. So it's like only D. But here it's D. So it's Deepavali, Deepavali. Next, seventh one, Ashud. Pranam. So normally we will say Pranam, but Pranam, here it's written in Ashud. Shud. Pranam. Pranam. So this is Pranam. This is Pranam. Coming to the next one, which is 8. Ashud. Vishesh. Vises. So this is Vises. Shuddh Shab. Vishesh. So this here is converted into this shab. There are two types of different shab. This is Shatkaun one, this is Sharbat one. So yeah. And you can learn these words also because they might ask you in exam these kind of works. So you will be able to answer after that. Ashuddh Shab, 9th one. Chama. Shuddh Shab, 9th one. Shama. Shama means taking sorry or telling sorry. हमें किसी को माफ करना. I mean किसी से माफी मांगना. तो here ch has converted into sh. So even in the pronunciation you can figure out. तो इधर क्षमा. Here shama. So this sounds very correct. Yeah. And then Ashuddh Shab, 10वां. Santusht. Shuddh Shab, 10वां. Santusht. So here two words which are not combined, and this is the correct one. So it's not Santusht, it's Santusht. So here we have to join these two. So these are all correct ones. So none of them is wrong. These are all wrong spellings. So don't write these kind of spellings. These are all correct. So you don't even focus on them. You can just revise all the ones over here. So like that's all was there for like in this board. And as I said you before, I had told you Vilom Shabds last time in last Hindi grammar video. So now today I said you Shuddh Karna. And like this kind of only I will be telling you in grammar, and that is what I was telling. And you can also comment that which type of language video do you want. You want English grammar, do you want motivational videos, you want cooking vlogs, you want musical type videos, do you want art videos, or do you want Hindi grammar? And yeah, and even my brother tells a bit about his grammar in Kannada. So if you can go check out his video also. And that was it for today's video. I hope you would be liking this video. If you did, please put a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. And I hope you would be getting some another information from this board and from me. As I showed you, and don't focus on these because these are all wrong. You can focus on these. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, be safe, be healthy. I'll see you in the next video with the next information and next fun facts. And bye.